Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Demon Slayer figure is probably one of the most sought-after collectibles for anime fans, offering a tangible piece of the thrilling Demon Slayer universe. From the meticulously crafted details to the dynamic poses capturing iconic moments from the series, these figures are more than just toys, they're a testament to the artistry and passion behind the show, allowing collectors to own a piece of their favorite battles and characters. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your journey, this video will guide you through the exciting world of Demon Slayer action figures. Number 5. UL Demon Slayer Tanjiro figure. Get ready to add an incredible piece to your collection. This highly detailed figure captures every detail of your favorite character. It's meticulously crafted to look just like Tanjiro from Demon Slayer. You'll be amazed by its realism. With 27 points of articulation, it can strike any pose imaginable. Recreate your favorite scenes with ease. It comes with a Nichiren sword, extra hands, and more. Everything you need to bring the action to life. The packaging itself is a collector's item, featuring stunning artwork. It's a beautiful addition to any shelf. This is just one of many figures in the Ultimate Legends series. Start or grow your collection today. Suitable for ages 4 and up. It's the perfect gift for Demon Slayer fans of all ages. What we like. This figure is incredibly detailed and looks just like the character from the anime. It has many articulation points, allowing for dynamic poses. If you're a collector who appreciates quality and detail, this is the perfect addition to your collection. It's great for recreating your favorite scenes. What people say. Got as a gift and they loved it. Cool detachable features. The quality of this toy is very good. Lego en tiempo y forma de muy buena calidad. Number 4. McFarlane Demon Slayer Nezuko. Get ready to unbox this incredibly detailed 7-inch figure. It's based on the popular Demon Slayer anime and ready for dynamic posing. With up to 22 moving parts, it offers a full range of posing possibilities. Prepare for action-packed scenes. Check out the alternate hands and demon fire effect pieces. These add so much to the display and storytelling. This beauty comes in a Demon Slayer themed window box. It's perfect for display, even unopened. This is just the beginning. Collect all the McFarlane Toys Demon Slayer figures to complete your set. The figure's articulation lets you create dynamic poses. Capture your favorite moments from the show. What we like. This action figure is a great size for display and play. The multiple points of articulation make it highly posable. If you are looking for dynamic poses and impressive demon fire effects, this figure is for you. It's perfect for recreating intense battle scenes. What people say. The flames are a bit heavy for the figure, yet still very well made figure. The box wasn't damaged and figure looks exactly like on the picture. Painted well. Accurate representation of figures from the popular Demon Slayer anime series. Very detailed and articulated, accurately colored. Ideal for either play or display. Number 3. McFarlane Demon Slayer Tanjiro. Get ready to open the box and reveal the incredible detail of this collectible figure. You'll find everything you need to display it proudly. Notice the dynamic pose. It perfectly captures the intensity of a Demon Slayer in action. Every detail is meticulously crafted. Look closely at the head sculpt. The likeness to Tanjiro is uncanny, right down to the expression in its eyes. He comes with his signature Nichiren sword and other accessories. Prepare for epic display possibilities. This is a high-quality figure, made with durable materials. It's built to last and will be a centerpiece of any collection. Even the packaging is a work of art. It's designed to protect it and enhance the unboxing experience. With its multiple points of articulation, you can pose it in countless ways. Find the perfect stance to show off its features. What we like. This figure is another great option if you prefer a larger scale figure. It's incredibly detailed and posable, allowing you to recreate many scenes. If you want a highly posable figure with a great sculpt, this one is a must-have for your collection. It's perfect for fans who love to pose their figures. What people say. Feels made really well and looks great. These are the perfect size, and they are very sturdy. It was a full-size action figure, another a very small one. Number 2. Figma Kyojuro Rengoku. Get ready to relive the epic battles. This highly detailed figure captures Rengoku's intensity and power. He features 3 different faceplates, a standard expression, a smile, and an intense battle-damaged look. You can perfectly capture any moment from the anime. With interchangeable eye parts and a posable body, you can create dynamic poses. Showcase his fighting style with ease. It includes his signature Nichiren blade, flame effects, a bento box, and a scabbard. Every detail is meticulously crafted. The included articulated Figma stand ensures that it can be displayed in any action pose you desire. Prepare for dynamic displays. Recreate Rengoku's iconic flame-breathing techniques with the included flame effect parts. Prepare for breathtaking displays. What we like. This figure offers a wide range of expressions and dynamic poses. The included flame effects and Figma stand enhance the display options. If you appreciate high-quality, detailed figures with lots of accessories, this figure is an excellent choice. It's perfect for collectors who want to display their figures in various poses and settings. What people say. This figure of Rengoku from Demon Slayer is honestly one of the best action figures out there. I can't stop having fun posing and honestly just playing with it. For the price you got the figure and the many accessories it came with, it was worth the price. The articulation is amazing as well. Great accessories, great posability, great stances, an excellent stand, great paint and detail. It's everything you would expect and more. Number 1. Demon Slayer SPM Tanjiro figure. Let's get a closer look at this amazing figure. It's incredibly detailed and captures Tanjiro's determined expression perfectly. This is a Sega product, known for high-quality figures. You can see the care put into every detail. Notice the dynamic pose. It really brings the character to life and shows his readiness for battle. Look at the intricate details of the Haori and sword. The craftsmanship is truly impressive. It comes with a sturdy base, ensuring it stands securely. No worries about it tipping over. This is a must-have for any Demon Slayer fan. It's a beautiful addition to any collection. What we like. This figure is a great value option for fans on a budget. It's a collectible figure that is still very well made. If you're looking for a nice collectible figure without breaking the bank, this is a great option. It's perfect for fans who want to add to their collection without spending a fortune. What people say. It has a good weight to it and feels sturdy and well made, and fits very securely into the base. It comes in several pieces and has to be assembled, but the parts fit together so seamlessly, I usually forget he didn't come as is. The attention to detail in this figure is truly impressive. From the folds in his clothing to the texture of his hair, every aspect of the figure has been carefully crafted to ensure that it is as accurate to the anime as possible. The paintwork is also top-notch, with vibrant colors and a glossy finish that make the figure stand out. The colors were great, detailing is awesome, and so works the price. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.